Hi, I'm Sai Chandra. Welcome back to my channel, Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the PUBG gameplay test in the Realme X7 Max device. Yes, friends, this is a PUBG version 1.5.0. This is the exact APK which is available right now to download. I'll try to post in my Telegram group as well, so make sure to join in my Telegram group. By using this APK, you can get 90 FPS in the Realme X7 Max. Yes, you won't believe me, it is possible, yes. But there's some kind of problem with that. I'll try to explain you what is the problem. So make sure to join my Telegram group to download the APK directly. So just a couple of hours ago, I did upload the same kind of video, friends, but using the different kind of APK which is not that accurate. That is the reason I was unable to get. So make sure to download the exact file. So don't download any other file. So that is a mistake which I did. I did download some kind of wrong file and different kind of APK. That is the problem. But right now, as you can see, this is the exact variant I'm trying to use, Realme X7 Max only in this testing. So now I'll try to explain you why I did enable the real-time FPS meter. This is an inbuilt FPS meter which is present in the Realme X7 Max. I did already upload a video. I'll try to upload another one as well, just for your knowledge. I think I did not upload, I think so, but it is a PUBG version which is a 1.5.0. Let me quickly open, long press and open the app info to show you 1.5.0. as you can see, friends, exactly. Now let's get started with this gameplay, and I'll try to mainly show you the graphics. Yes, you can get the 90 FPS I'm trying to say now itself, but there's some cache. I'll try to explain you what is the problem is going on. So let's see. And make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you try the same APK and if you are able to play 90 FPS, then let me know in the comment section below. That will be really very much helpful. So in case if you want to donate some amount of money, so try to donate to my number, because I need to buy plenty of other smartphones in the future, which I'm definitely planning to do. I definitely need a lot of support, and thank you for all of your subscribers who already donated me. That's really great. Doesn't matter how much small amount. Definitely, friends, I really appreciate your effort. As you can see, friends, right now 90 FPS you can play without using any GFX tool. No GFX tool, nothing. Directly just install this APK and you'll get 90 FPS. There is no config needed, nothing at all. But there is one catch. I'll try to show you first the graphics. So smooth and extreme, HDR and extreme, HDR and extreme, perfectly done. Now everything is enabled to the extreme. Now there are no complaints about the software optimization and all those details. There's no complaints, but there's one small catch. Let me try to show you what does that catch mean. So now I did enable the 90 FPS perfectly. Yes, it's all right. Now let me try to start playing the game, and I'll try to show you what is happening. So it is a real-time FPS meter. So the thing is that even if you enable 90 FPS, you cannot see more than 60 FPS. That is a problem which is happening in the Realme X7 Max from the beginning. Not only PUBG game, any game you take, if you try to play in this phone, you cannot see the maximum FPS. It doesn't go. I'm not sure it is problem with my unit or with other unit. Even few of the users did comment under my videos. So even they were unable to play more than 60 FPS any games. So this some kind of lock is going on, friends, for this kind of real-time FPS meter, which is really frustrating, because now this hardware is really capable, and we even got the PUBG update as well without using any GFX tool, no config needed. Now what is stopping is only the Realme UI. So Realme UI is the only one which is not optimized properly at this moment. The PUBG, they did their whatever they can do, and hardware Dimensity, even they did whatever they can do, but the Realme UI is the one which is limiting right now, not getting 90 FPS. That's one big disadvantage. I need to check one thing. I need to install the same APK in other Realme phones, and I'll try to see in the Realme X2 Pro mainly, because Realme X2 Pro has got the Snapdragon processor. So I need to see in that processor as well. So stay tuned for those videos. That will be really very much interesting. But right now this FPS meter is an inbuilt FPS meter, friends. So what it does is that it will only display two values, 60 and 120. If the phone, if it detects any kind of higher FPS, it will immediately change to 120 only. Right now it's not detecting any higher FPS. So that is the reason it's not changing. Let me go to the home screen. It will change to 120, as you can see, 120. Whatever apps are supported, even the Play Store is supported with 120, so you can see the 120. Let me try to open some other games. For example, let's open the Call of Duty. Some games they don't support with the high FPS, it immediately changes to 60. So this is the way it works. So if the PUBG is supported with the 90 FPS, here it should come 120, but it's not changing now. So there's some inbuilt lock system is going on, friends. Maybe the Realme team, they should really fix this issue as soon as possible. I'm not sure this issue is in my unit or in other unit. I just want to know how many of you are facing this kind of problem. Try to join in my Telegram group. I'll try to post the APK as soon as possible. So So let's play one small match, which is a team net match. And another thing is that 90 FPS, that's fine, no problem, but the 4D vibrations is also not working. So this is where the things are really interesting, friends. But because the 4D vibration is not working, so you won't be able to use the haptic feedbacks at all. I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedbacks when I'm trying to shoot. No. Even I did increase the volume. Even I increase the volume. Even I let me try to keep full volume. No vibrations. I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedback apart from this loudspeaker vibrations. I'm not getting any haptic feedbacks. Nothing. No haptic feedbacks at all. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you, most of the people. So all friends, there is no haptic feedbacks, there is no 90 FPS real time, you are not getting at all. So even though settings you enable 90 FPS, let me go to the settings and show you. So you may think I did not enable the display refresh rate. So let me try to show you. If I did not enable, this value would not change to 120, friends. To be frank, that's another thing you can check. Let me just show you the more settings. As you can see, 120 FPS. If I try to select 60, it will automatically change. That's common, as you can see, friends, clearly. It doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter even if you enable high performance mode. Some people, they think high performance mode, if you enable, this will work. This doesn't work. You need to close the game and open. And there's another few users that did mention also to use the smooth scrolling and all these options to try whether the game actually supports or not. So let's see. So it doesn't support. Whatever test you do, whatever kind of trick you do, it doesn't work. Those kind of tricks will work in the Realme X2 Pro. Yes, those tricks will definitely work in the Realme X2 Pro, because even myself, it did work. So here's the Realme X2 Pro. Yep. So is the Realme X2 Pro, friends. It did work in the Realme X2 Pro, all those kind of tricks, but in this Realme X1 Max, all this kind of tricks is not working at this moment. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many were able to play this kind of 90 FPS. So the only two things you need to check, this 60 value should change to 120 value, and when you swipe left side, this value should increase to 90. Don't see the settings, even if it shows you 90 FPS, that doesn't mean you are getting 90 FPS. It's one thing you should understand. And check the haptic feedbacks. So how many people are getting the haptic feedbacks in the PUBG? That is what I just want to know in this version. But I'm not sure how many people. I think at this moment I am not getting, so I'm not sure who are getting actually. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more information. Definitely I'll try to do in-depth review as well on this Realme X1 Max, why I was unable to get the 90 FPS even after doing the complete factory reset of the phone as well. Still I was unable to get the 90 FPS in this phone. Yes, absolutely not. So I'm not sure what is happening with the Realme UI at this point. So only the Realme UI should be responsible for this kind of not having 90 FPS. That is what I can actually blame, not the MediaTek processor, not the PUBG at this moment, because both were able to give us a really good high FPS, but Realme was unable to show the 90 FPS in this phone. So that's the point which I thought of just highlighting. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, don't forget to check the links in description. Bye.